Setting up a Y high press trap. We have our team here in pink in a Y shape, our two pivots up top, our ala coming into the middle, and then our fixo front defending their high player. In this situation, we're defending a team playing in a 3-1 or in a diamond shape. Changes a little bit when their team plays a 2-2, but we'll start with the 3-1 here. We start low enough to encourage the ball to go short and dictate where we want the ball to go. If they go long, which is very possible, then there's plenty of time for us to drop off and pick up our player and mark up. But let's say the ball goes short. We want to dictate where the ball is going to go and put pressure on the decision making of the player on the ball. If this player steps up and presses the ball hard and curving the run and cutting off one side of the court, we are now forcing the ball to go one way. This player here, if they stay tucked into the middle, which is good defending, will make a pass, allow the pass to go wide, but by the time they arrive to the press, this player can get their head up and make a pass forward, which is what we want to eliminate. If this player starts to cheat, pushing up, focusing on cutting off this angle, and the ball does get played, as you pressure when that ball travels, you should put hard enough pressure that they can't go forward and they cannot get their head up to look for long passes, which will then break the trap. The player in the middle, which starts to create the Y shape, is responsible of filling in the zone, intercepting balls in the zone, and also paying attention on the movements of this player. So the most common area where the ball is won is here in the middle. So this player plays a big part in creating that counterattack. Many times this player will run in. It's important for this player to read that play, step in, intercept passes, because you receive it, you probably got a shot on goal, or you have one defender to get beat, and a lot of times we're numbers up. The other run is this player going high. If this player pushes up, we are forced to drop off, because if these players do complete a pass over a head, it's going to be very difficult to that player to cut off the play. But if this player is pushing up and we're dropping off and the ball does go over, there's plenty of time for that player to slow down the play and chase down that run. If this player dribbles back and is on the run and we're putting tight pressure, they're going to be looking for the goalkeeper. They're going to be if they haven't used the goalkeeper yet, or they're going to be looking for this fixo. It's important for us to keep the ball on that side and win the ball here, win the ball into the middle. If the ball does get played back to the fixo and this player is so focused on winning the ball and they allow that player to cut and switch the ball, then the press is broken. Very important for this player to cut off this pass. Force into the middle, force there, win the ball there, win the ball there, win the ball here, and we go forward. The fixo is responsible on cutting off obviously the angle for this pass to go forward. If the ball does get played long and over a head, this player can move side to side and cut that pass off.